Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to lock a folder on iPhone. The iPhone doesn't have any kind of secure folder functionality integrated into its iOS software, but there is a hidden folder inside the Photos app that you can move private photos and videos to. To do that, open your Photos app. All you have to need, select those photos you want to hide. Tap on share icon to the bottom left corner and tap on hide. All you have to need, open your settings app and search for Photos app. Once you get it, tap on Photos, and here you'll find this hidden album option. So you have to toggle off this option to disable, and when enabled, the hidden album will appear in the Albums tab under Utilities. So all you have to disable this option from here, and that's how no one will be able to find your hidden folder or hidden photos from your Photos app. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.